In this video, I'll show you how to use All-in-One SEO's search statistics to increase your ranking in search. Welcome to All-in-One SEO. We make SEO easy with our powerful WordPress SEO plugin. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is install the All-in-One SEO plugin. If you already have AIOSEO installed, you can skip ahead to the next part of the video using the timestamps below. So let's go ahead and click on Plugins, and then click on the button that says Add New. If you haven't done so already, we're going to want to download the plugin from AIOSEO.com. You're going to go to the Account section, into your Download area, and click the big green button that says Download AIOSEO. And if you don't have an account already, you should be able to create one pretty easily. So back on the Plugins page of your WordPress website, we're going to go ahead and click the Upload Plugin button, and then click Choose File, and choose the plugin file that you just downloaded. And then click the Install Now button. After the plugin installs, click the blue button that says Activate Plugin. After the plugin installs and is activated, the AIOSEO Setup Wizard will pop up automatically. We have another video that walks you through these steps, and I highly encourage you to go through that wizard because it will just set up your whole website for success as far as your SEO efforts go. But for now, we're going to head back to the dashboard. And then if you scroll on down the page and click the link, there's a space for us to enter our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. Back on our AIOSEO account, which you can find at AIOSEO.com/account, make sure you're on the Downloads tab, and then next to where it says License Key, if you click on the icon, it will copy out our All-in-One SEO Pro license key. And then we're going to paste the license key into the license key field, click Connect, and that's it. All-in-One SEO Pro is activated on this website. If you want to be doubly sure, you can go ahead and click the blue Save Changes button. Then we're going to scroll up and click on the dashboard link, just so we're all on the same page. So now that you've got All-in-One SEO installed, let's go ahead and dive into the Search Statistics feature. This is a relatively new feature, so maybe you haven't seen it before. This is pulling in information from Google Search Console, but what makes it so powerful is we're pulling in a subset of information that is specifically geared towards improving your SEO. What's more, all of this information is right here in WordPress where you can take action on it. So instead of having multiple tabs open and flipping back and forth between Google Search Console and WordPress, it's all right here. So let's dive in and take a look. Right now, I'm on the dashboard. The first section we see here is SEO Statistics. So this shows me how well my site is doing in search. It's telling me I got 906,000 impressions from search, 7,000 total clicks. There's information about the click-through rate and your average position. Below that, we have our keyword rankings. That's telling me I'm doing great for landscaping ideas, plant nursery, lawn. If I click on this winning losing tab here, I can see our top winning keywords and our top losing keywords. Just at a glance, I can tell that if I have any content about a rose garden, there's a good opportunity for me here to improve the SEO of that content and rank better for rose garden. On the other column, we have keyword position. So this is just kind of telling me at a glance in a really nice color-coded way where the majority of my keywords are ranking in the search engine result pages. So I'm seeing a lot of orange here, which is position 11 through 50. I'd like to see a lot of blue, which are the top 3 positions. But we can just get a real good idea at a glance of how our content is doing by looking at this graph. This next section is the post optimization section. It's going to tell me which of my posts need improvement, which are okay, and which are doing good. For me, the pertinent information here is it's saying that 33 of my 34 posts are without a focus key phrase. So that's a very quick win for me here. I could just open up those pages, give them a focus key phrase, and start optimizing for that key phrase. Below that, we have the content performance. So this first tab here, top pages, is telling me which pieces of content are doing the best. My index page is getting 862 clicks, and then beyond that, this page I have called How to Garden is getting 471 clicks. If I click on the top winning tab, I can see which pieces of my content are performing best. And then the real gem in this content performance report is this top losing tab. This tells me which pieces of content are losing the most ground. We can see this first one, gardening for beginners, is down 21,000 points. The points are assigned by our proprietary algorithm, which weights the content on a bunch of different factors. So a simple example would be if you had two pieces of content that both slid 10 positions in the search engine result pages, but one of them was bringing in 3,000 clicks a month and the other one was bringing in 300. The one that was bringing in 3,000 would appear much higher in this report. If I go back up to the tabs up top, the first tab we see is SEO Statistics. So if I click on that, we can see those stats from the dashboard: search impressions, total clicks, average click-through rate, and average position. And below that, we can dig in deeper to that content's performance report. Again, all top losing and top winning. I would focus on top losing. That's where the biggest opportunities are. The next tab is keyword rankings. So this is a little bit different from the content report in that this is not talking about your specific content, but about specific keywords. So we can see, for example, here, I'm ranked number 6 for when to plant tomatoes. And again, like with some of the other reports, I can check out my top winning and top losing terms. The next tab is content rankings. What's unique about this tab is it gives you a graph here of a 12-month rolling period and shows you when you were at your peak. This 12-month period of data we're seeing now is from April 2022 to March 2023. And we can see with this first example, How to Garden, that our peak was back in June 2022, and it's kind of been in steady decline since then. So this is a great opportunity to work on the SEO of this page. And then towards the bottom of the list, we can see top 10 healthiest vegetables you can grow. It's at its peak right now. So that particular piece of content is doing great. This last tab here is the settings tab, and this is just where you could disconnect and reconnect to a different Google Search Console account. I told you guys earlier in the video that what makes this search statistics feature so powerful is that all this information is right here in WordPress, and it's very easy for you to take action on it. So let's dig into an example of that right now. I'm going to head back on over to the dashboard and scroll down to that report on content performance. You could also find that report under SEO Statistics, Content Performance. I'm interested in the top losing tab. So I can see right away that this page about vegetable gardening for beginners is dropping pretty substantially. That, to me, is a big opportunity to improve the SEO and improve my rankings in search. So unlike Google Search Console, where you just see the name of this page, I actually have a link to go edit the page right from here. So I'm going to click that link. And when my page opens up, right away I can see I've got a 68 out of 100 on my AIOSEO score. So let's see if we can figure that out. I'm going to click on the general section here. I'm going to click on focus key phrase. I don't have a focus key phrase set, so that's a pretty big one. This page is about vegetable gardening for beginners. Let's make the focus key phrase vegetable gardening. I'm going to add that focus key phrase. Right away, it hops up to a 79. And it's telling me my focus key phrase is not in the meta description nor in the introduction. So my introductory paragraph says this page is about veggies. We're going to show you how to create a veggie gardening in 3 simple steps. Let's get started. That's not even grammatically correct, first of all, but let's change veggies to vegetable. This page is about vegetable gardening. So now we have the key phrase vegetable gardening in the intro paragraph. You can see our score bumped up for the key phrase to 85, overall to 82. It's telling me my focus key phrase is not in my meta descriptions. So let's scroll down below the content to the all-in-one SEO settings section, down into the meta description section. So I have created my own custom meta description. My focus key phrase is vegetable gardening. My description says, are you a first-time gardener? In this post, we talk about gardening for beginners and how you can get started on your first garden today. Very simple to just put in vegetable before gardening. And now our focus key phrase is scoring a 100 out of 100. Our page overall is scoring an 85 out of 100. So there's still some things we can do to work on this page, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to come straight over from the search statistics feature, click that edit link, go ahead and take action while it's right on your mind. Make those changes, improve your SEO, and improve your rankings in search. I'm going to do one last thing and make sure to remember to click that blue update button, and I'm done. So that's how to use search statistics to increase your ranking in search. If you don't already have our awesome all-in-one SEO plugin installed, we've got a link to it in the description below this video. It can help you out with the task in this video, as well as many other SEO jobs that you might have to do on your WordPress website. If you click on this next video right here, I'll show you how to add product schema to any product pages you might have in WordPress. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use our easy and powerful WordPress SEO plugin, all-in-one SEO.